Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Exness app not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first fix is to force close and reopen the app. So go ahead and hold down the app, click onto I, then you want to go ahead and click on force stop and then click OK and then reopen the app. Now the next fix is to clear the app cache and data. So this is for Android, so click and hold down the app. Click onto I, now scroll down, click on the storage, and you want to go ahead and clear cache and clear data, and then go ahead and click delete and then re-log in using your credentials. Now the next fix is to check connectivity and servers. So if you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and swap over to using mobile data and vice versa. Now if you're using any VPNs, I would suggest just disabling them in the meantime to see if that is causing issues. Now the next fix is to check for outages or known issues. So the best way to do this is open up a web browser and just type in something like Exness server down and then scroll down and go to any one of the top results here and let's check the server status if it's actually down. So as you can see, this is up. Now if there are any outages, it's going to say it's going to be down and it's going to give you some stats about it as well. Now the last fix is to check device compatibility and updates. So I'm on an Android, so you want to click on the settings and make sure your phone is up to date. So scroll all the way down side, click on software update. Now after any updates, go ahead and download and install them, restart your device and see if that fixes your issues on Exness.